There are few dishes that so beautifully capture the essence of Greek home cooking as avgolemono. This traditional lemon and chicken soup is more than just a warm, comforting bowl. It is a celebration of simplicity, balance, and centuries-old culinary wisdom. From the first spoonful, avgolemono enchants with its silky texture and the perfect interplay of tangy citrus, tender chicken, and nourishing broth. Avgolemono, meaning egg lemon in Greek, is not only a dish but a treasured technique. The signature element is the avgolemono sauce, created by whisking eggs and lemon juice into a delicate emulsion that thickens the soup without the need for cream or starch. This method delivers an unmistakable creaminess while preserving the soup's light and vibrant character. At its core, avgolemono soup consists of chicken, broth, rice or orzo, eggs, and fresh lemon juice. What makes this soup stand out is the delicate balance between richness and acidity. The chicken is typically simmered until tender, imparting its flavor to the broth, which forms the base of the dish. Rice or orzo adds a soft texture, making each bite satisfyingly complete. The magic happens when the egg and lemon mixture is carefully tempered with hot broth to prevent curdling. This step is crucial in achieving the smooth, velvety consistency that distinguishes avgolemono from ordinary chicken soups. The result is a bowl that feels both luxurious and restorative, a perfect antidote to chilly days or moments when comfort is needed. More than just delicious, avgolemono offers tangible health benefits. The combination of lean chicken, wholesome grains, and the vitamin C-packed brightness of lemon creates a nourishing meal that supports immune health and aids digestion. The protein content sustains energy levels, making it an excellent choice for those focused on balanced, nutrient-rich diets. Greek families often prepare avgolemono as a cherished dish during holidays or as a loving gesture when someone is unwell. Its soothing qualities and vibrant flavors make it a timeless staple that connects generations through taste and tradition. For those eager to make avgolemono at home, precision and patience are key. Using fresh lemon juice elevates the final flavor, while maintaining low heat during the tempering process preserves the soup's silkiness. Choosing high-quality chicken and cooking it gently ensures the broth develops a deep, comforting base. Adding freshly ground pepper or a garnish of parsley just before serving can enhance the aroma and presentation. If you could prepare your own version of avgolemono, would you keep it classic or add a unique twist to make it your signature dish?